Why using the Add Shortcut to OneDrive button blocks local sync? Everyone loves to talk about cloud-first strategies and keeping files online. But let's be honest, people want their files on their devices. The sync button delivers exactly that. A seamless experience where files magically appear in File Explorer or Finder, ready to go, and then enter the Add Shortcut to OneDrive button. What's the problem with the shortcut? The Add Shortcut to OneDrive button might seem like a cleaner, safer way to access SharePoint files, but it's more like a shortcut to chaos. Here's why. It confuses users. Wait, is this in OneDrive or SharePoint? Why can't I find this folder on my desktop? Why do I have shortcuts all over my OneDrive? Plus, shortcuts don't play well with apps. Shortcuts aren't treated as real folders by many desktop applications. You try to open a file in Excel, and suddenly Excel's like, sorry, what folder? Sync, on the other hand, it plays nice, apps behave, life is good, and shortcuts don't work offline if you're on a plane or your Wi-Fi drops. Good luck accessing that shortcut. Sync works offline, always. Enough said. Why does it block local sync? Here's where things get spicy. Once a user adds a shortcut to their OneDrive, it overrides the sync button. Try to sync that folder locally. OneDrive detects the shortcut and says, this folder is already added to OneDrive. Yep, that message. The dreaded one. Even worse. It's like pulling the plug on sync. Without a warning, suddenly your users are left wondering, wait, when did sync stop working? Why is nothing updating anymore? So, how do we get rid of that shortcut button? Because let's be honest, it's annoying. Method 1. PowerShell. The clever, slightly aggressive method. Run this command across your SharePoint tenant. Set-SPOTenant. DisableAddShortcutsToOneDrive true. Boom! Button gone. Method 2. Use JSON to hide it. My favorite. Feeling crafty? In your SharePoint document library, go to the current view, switch to advanced mode, and bring out the commandBarProps wizardry. With a little JSON, you can hide buttons, rename them, shuffle them around, or just make the shortcut button vanish like it never existed. Method 3. Rename the button, A.K.A. the passive-aggressive strategy. Don't want to remove it completely? Just rename it. Maybe something like, click here to ruin sync, or not recommended, use sync instead. Subtle, but effective. Now, let's talk about promoting the sync button, because it's the real MVP. If you've hidden the shortcut, make sure people know what to use instead. Sync is the answer. Here's how to make it stand out. Option 1. Rename the sync button. Give it a name that actually explains what it does. Sync files to your device. Keep files available offline. Click here to sync. No headaches. Or option 2. Add a pop-up banner to your SharePoint page. Something like, want easy access to your files on your desktop? Click sync to keep everything up to date, even offline. Option 3. Create a training video bonus points if it's funny. Show a side-by-side, shortcut versus sync. Let the chaos speak for itself, because sometimes the best way to solve a problem is to make it disappear before anyone ever clicks it.